Hello legends, welcome back to another episode of DeCRYPTion. Today we are going to be looking at Solana. Firstly, on its lower time frame. Secondly, Solana dominance, current risk levels for potential price targets, and we're going to round it up with total crypto market cap and risk levels, just to show you that there's plenty in the tank. Firstly, if you remember the other day, I posted this chart with this trend line here stating it would be ideal if we could crack it, and we have done so. Beautiful to see. At the time, I did have a level around here, drew in around 182, 183. When I posted it, we were around here. When we fell through there, I was thinking, what's going to happen now? Fortunately, we found support. We have actually formed a beautiful triple bottom, quadruple if you include this crime wick over here. And make no mistake, it is crime, but CZ's pardoned now, so apparently it's all good. Anyway, we're looking tidy here. Ideally, what I'd like to see next is a break of this level here. You can see where it's been previous resistance, and that is around the $197 mark, or if we go up to the top of that wick on the left, that's at 198, 199. So we're looking at around the $200. Again, a powerful psychological level. But for now, shorter time frame, we're looking all good. Let's go on to the larger time frame. Let's get on to the weekly. Right, this is where it gets interesting. Obviously, we've got the cup and handle that we've already spoke about, but logarithmically, highly recommend switching your charts to the logarithmic scale occasionally, because it often gives a very nice perspective. I actually learnt this trick over at Real Vision. I'd never really bothered with the logarithmic charts until I saw Rao and Julian using them, and I thought, well worth a look. Again, I mean, that's just tightening, isn't it? If that doesn't flipping go, you'll be able to knock me over with a feather. I don't believe we've spent, I mean, the bottom of this trend line was formed on the 26th of December in 2022. I don't believe we've spent the best part of 3 years grinding upwards to take out its all-time high by a few bucks, which was back in January. Not a chance. Again, and we're pushing higher off of that trend line now, which is great to see. But what's more impressive is if we look at dominance, it spells or tells a very similar story. Now, I know we're not as high over here, but if we just look at the structure, very similar. For dominance to look so similar to its dollar pairing is a very positive sign. So short term, I'm looking for Solana to crack that $200 mark. In the short to medium term, certainly get back up to here, which is around, I mean, its last all-time highs acted as resistance here as well. That's at 263. Clearly there's a bit of resistance below that. That's at 251. So I'm looking around this region, medium, short to medium term, certainly by the end of the year. If we look at current risk levels for long-term price targets, depending on how long this cycle lasts, I know everyone's thinking we're running out of time, but I mean, if you just look here, that's the 29th of December there. we've still got over 2 months. A lot can happen in 8 weeks, especially for an asset as volatile as crypto. So, as I say, I'm always reserved. I don't go straight to level 1 for a potential price target because, firstly, it may not get there and you don't want to be round tripping your bags waiting for a target that may never come. So, let's have a look. 0.799. That is at $377. I can't say certain, but I am confident that we will get at least to that level. 0.903, that's at 613, and level 1 now is at $967.80. So, depending again how long this cycle lasts, there are fantastic arguments now for an extended cycle. I know a lot of people are still going off of the 4-year cycle, saying, some people are saying we're already done, some are saying 100% will be finished in December. But from the things I look at, I often share them. I don't need to harp on about it because I'll just sound like a broken record, and those that want to find the knowledge, it's all there and I share it. So you can take it on board if you want, or you can disregard it. It's completely up to you. But total crypto market cap and its current risk levels, again, this is on the workbench section on intothecryptoverse.com. Very good website. It is part of the premium package, so you will be paying for it. Unless you follow me, in which case I just share the odd thing for free. Because I'm a nice guy and I want you all to win. But I digress. Currently, we are at risk level 0.613. Historically, every single time back from 2013, we have always got up to risk level 1. So use that information as you wish. I'm taking it as there is plenty more to come, and more to the point, even if we're reserved. I'm very confident we at least get to 0.8. And that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you've got something out of it. And in the meantime, keep the faith, trade safe, stay bullish. Cheers.